Student, today we are going to discuss some examples on assignment model. So first example, find the total cost of the given assignment model. So here given that, and here first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, so their first row values are 3, 8, 2, 10, 3. Then 8, 7, 9, 7, 6, then 6, 4, 2, 7, 5. Then next row values are 8, 4, 2, 3, 8, 4, 2, 3, 5, then 9, 10, 6, 9 and 10. Okay, so these values are here given. So firstly, how to solving this as a problem, we have to find the optimal solution. Here firstly, step first, number of rows equal to number of columns. Okay, number of rows equal to number of columns. Then next step second, what is step second? Step second here is select smallest element in each row and subtract it from every element of respective or corresponding row. Okay, so therefore reduced row is here in first row smallest element is 2. Okay, so here A, B, C, D, E and rows are first, second, third, fourth and fifth. Okay, so after subtracting, here 2 is a smallest element in first row, so subtract it from every element of first row. So 3 minus 2 is 1, 8 minus 2 6, 0, then 8 and 1. Okay, in second row, so smallest element is 6, so subtract it from every element. So here 8 minus 6 is 2, then 1, 3, 1 and 0. Then third row, 2 is smallest element, therefore subtract 2 from each element of third row. So here 4, 2, 0, then 7, 5 and 3. Okay, then fourth row 2 is smallest element, so here 6, then 2, 0, then 1 and 3. Then next is 6 is smallest element, so remaining is 3, 4, 0, then 9 minus 6 is 3 and 4. Okay, then here select smallest element. Then next step is B. Step second B, select smallest element in each column and subtract it from every element of corresponding row. Okay, corresponding row. Therefore reduced table is here in first column smallest element is 1, second column is also smallest element is 1, third column smallest element 0, 1 and 0. Okay, so subtract it from each element of respective column. Therefore here after subtracting 1 from every element, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, then 3, then 6 minus 1 is 5, then 2. Okay, so next is 1 is smallest element in this row column, so here 5, 0, 1 and 3. Okay, here 0 is the smallest element, so therefore this column is as it is 3, 0, 0, 0. Okay, then 1 is smallest element, so here 7, 0, 4, 0, 2. Okay, then last column 0 is smallest element, so subtract it 3, 3, 4. Okay, then next is we have to assign the assignment cost. Okay, so how to firstly select exactly 10 row. Okay, select a row which contain select a row which contains exactly 10, and making a square. Okay, in this way, around it to 0, and other all other zeros all other zeros in respective column make cross up sign. Okay, make cross up in this way. So here uh, first row which contains two zeros, second row contains 3 zero, but third row which contains exactly 1 zero, so making a square of that zero, and other all zeros in respective column. So C column, all other zeros take a cross up sign. Okay, then there is a no any zero in respective rows. Okay, so then after then second, and here first, then examine a column which contains exactly 1 zero, make a square of that zero, and all other elements and all other zeros making cross up sign. Okay, making cross up sign. Okay, so here in this fourth and fifth column it contains exactly 1 zero, but here firstly third column making square and other are cross up sign, therefore there is no this is not possible. Okay, then now we have to select the column which contains exactly 1 zero. So here first column which contains exactly 1 zero, other zeros take a cross up sign. Here already 1 zero taking a cross up sign. Okay, then next column is B column contains exactly 1 zero, make a cross up sign. Make a square, and other in respective row other zeros take a cross up sign. Okay, in this way. Then third column contains third column is not, but lastly here remaining only 1 zero. Okay, so this is make a square in this way. Here number of assignment means zeros of by making square zeros. Okay, so number of assignment is equal to 4, therefore, and number of columns are equal to 5, so therefore number of rows is not equal to number of assignment, and therefore we get a not optimal solution. Now we have to find the now we draw a line. Okay, so this table is written in the form of here A, B, C, D, E, then first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, so number of assignment is not equal to number of rows, therefore this is not optimal solution. Then take a draw a line. Okay, so firstly select the tick 05071, then next is 10300, then 31, then 31023, 043, 30 here 31043, then next is 51003. Okay, 51003, then lastly 23024, 23024. Okay, so here and here. Okay, all other zeros making a cross of sign. Okay, in this way we drawing a straight line. How to draw a straight line? Straight line drawing in this way. Firstly select a unmarked row. Firstly select a without assignment row. Without assignment row is here in first, second, third, fourth, all are these four rows are assignment row. So lastly fifth row which does not contain a assignment, so therefore tick the respective row. Then zeros lies in between. In second is zeros are present in a C column. Okay, so C column make a tick. Okay, then select examine a column. Then in which row present a zero assignment, then tick a respective row. So here in third row which contains a assignment, so ticking in this way, taking a tick a respective row. Okay, then next is select a row which contains zero, but here any other zero does not present in the respective row, therefore there is no need to tick for any column. Okay, so therefore we are stopping this process. Okay, then draw a line. How to draw line? Draw line how? Unmarked rows and mark columns. Okay, mark columns. So here unmarked rows are first. This is draw straight line, drawing a straight line. So second is also unmarked rows. Then fourth is also unmarked rows. So draw straight line. Number of lines are here 3. Okay, then mark rows. Mark columns are here only 1. Okay, here number of lines not equal to number of rows or column. Okay, number of lines are not equal to number of rows or column, and therefore select select a smallest element which is not covered by a line, Okay, so here without covering smallest element, here 1 is a smallest element, so subtract here 1 is the smallest element which is not covered by a line, Okay, so therefore subtract k, so that is k equal to 1. Subtract 1 for each element which is not covered, for each element which is subtract 1 for every element of, or each element of not covered by a line, and add one in intersection of lines. Okay, intersection of two lines. Okay, so therefore respective table is A, B, C, D, E. Then here first, second, then third, fourth, and fifth. Okay, so first row is already covered by a line, so therefore here 0, then 5, then 0. Okay, here 0 is the intersection of two lines. C column is the intersection of two lines, so intersection we are add 1. Okay, then then 7 and 1. Okay, then second row as it is 1 0, 3 is the intersection of two lines, so add here 1 4, then 0 0 as it is. Then lastly here subtract 1, 3 minus 2 1, 1 minus 1 0, then 0 is covered by line, so 0 take as it is, then 4 minus 1 3, 3 minus 2 is 1. Okay, then lastly is 5 1, 0 is a intersection of two lines, so add here 1, then next is here 0 and 3, and lastly 1 2 1 2, then 0 here 1, then 3. Okay, again take a repeat step 3, that is we have to select a row which contains exactly 1 0 from top to bottom. So here first row which contains exactly 1 0, other 0 take a cross of sign, here no any other zeros. Okay, so then second row which contains 3 zeros, third row which contains 2 0, but fourth row which contains exactly 1 0. Okay, so make a square of that 0, and other zeros in respective column make a cross of sign. Okay, then next is fifth row which contains also exactly 1 0, and respective row take a cross of sign. Okay, then next process select a column which contains exactly 1 0, select a column. So here first column already assigned, here there is no any other 0. In B column which contains 2 0, third column there is no 0 present in for without assignment. Then fourth row, here fifth column which contains exactly 1 0. Okay, fifth column which contains exactly 1 0, make a cross of sign, and remaining zeros again here make a cross. Therefore here number of assignment equal to number of rows, and therefore optimal solution is obtained. Okay, and therefore total cost is equal to, total cost for total cost take a original cost for here. Original cost is here given that 3 plus third row second column 4 plus second row fifth column 6, then 3 and 6, then 3 plus 6. So here 6 is 18 plus 12 is 22. This is our total solution, that is total cost of given respective column. This is our optimal solution of given assignment problem.